everyone, I received a swap today, so I thought I'd share it with you. This is the Firework swap. So we had to do a binder page. Everything's falling out of it. Oh my goodness. Sorry about that. Just hold on a second. Everything flew out of it. So here is the pocket letter I got. She made it a 6 pocket. And back is nothing on the back. And she put these little things in here. I saw these at Dollar Tree. The little USAs. So we have them in red and in blue. We have some flags. We have some more in red. And we have a little star and some scrap papers. And we have this star. And we have a couple of flags. And a star. And this that says USA. So she put some scraps in here too. With a note. And we have, let's see, 6 pages of all this design. So this is good to cut up. You can cut up all these and put them into, maybe I'll do like a 4th of July journal, and it's good to like cut all these little things out, you know, stick them in there. And then she made, let's see, I got 2 more of these, and she made some fireworks. So these are really cute. So she made these. I got a few of these. I got 4 of these. Let me just open them up. Very cute. So that was my swap received on the Fireworks binder page. And I'm excited because I'm going to get a binder and I'm going to do all this stuff. I'm going to, you know, put them in a binder every time I get them. So I'm excited for these pocket letter swaps. So I bought a bunch of pocket letters, and I can't wait to start building up my binder with all lovely ones that people give me. So this was the swap. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.